Hello everyone, and thank you very much for the opportunity you have given to us for giving a presentation about DNB Interiors. DNB Interiors production was started on 1st January 2014, and we purchased the machines right from the beginning after visiting different countries, looking at different products, different finishes, and all machines we installed were purchased from Europe. We are serving the multi-story building skyscrapers. We are also serving the individual customers. And every product, whatever we manufacture, is customized both in sizes as well as finishes. The material selection is decided for different products based on our recommendations and the client's preference. In modular furniture, basically, the machines which are required are either pressing of the material, which we buy as a raw, which we do the lamination either with the veneer or with laminate or acrylic or whatever it is. Thereafter, there is a cutting of the panels, different panels. You require a panel saw. Then you require the edge bending for closing all the open edges. You require the multi-boring machine for drilling, for fixing of the hardware. To assemble the product, different components. You require the routing machine for putting the back ply on the back of module, whether it's a kitchen or wardrobe or bed, whatever it is. And we require the hinge boring machine, which is used for fixing the hinges. We have all the machines with us, and you will see in this video. Here, if we are buying the prelam material, one machine that is press is bypassed. Rest, all the machines will be operational for every application. We are following 100% the process which is being practiced, used in Europe. Every component, every assembly is done through hardwares that we call it minifix or doubles. The total process of the manufacturing, right from pressing to panel saw to the edge bending to multi-boring, routing and hinge boring. And the products finishes are also shown in some of the products like wardrobes and kitchens. We hope that you will like it. As I said that we started the operation in 2014 and we have served many good real estate business developers, individuals, starting from Omax to Mahagun, Arihant, Ajnara, Mona Greens, Nandi Build Homes, and many more. So here we are, and we look forward to have a good association with you too. Thank you very much.